Hold the motherfucker, sí, mira.
Okay.
Ahí está.
Gracias, esta no.
At the top. Entonces. No, man. Damn, cuz. Colorado se dejó venir, ya.
Para los pobres, Colorado vino nosotros.
¿Eh?
Para los pobres que no podemos ir a Colorado, él vino nosotros.
Damn, the icicle. Yeah. No, hombre, eso es puro hielo.
No, puro hielo. No, hombre.
Y eso que ya salió el sol. Pero aquí es gonna get cold again,
Ahorita
right?
va a bajar como a 19. Back como 19. Ahorita que baja, güey.
Yeah. Let's go?
Let me back it
Yeah. Yeah. Let's see what we get into. Damn, cold start for real. Yeah, the fucking heater on full blast. God damn, the fucking wipers don't want to work. Oh, ahí va. Damn, how cold is it? 24 degrees. I don't think that heater's gonna melt his eyes off. Huh?
Oh, frozen in.
Fuck. So she said it defrosts the whole windshield?
Yeah, look at mine. I haven't used them.
Oh, yeah.
It's just gonna take a minute. Let the truck heat up and shit.
A ver, ¿a dónde vamos? No, güey. ¿Saca la escoba?
Vato. ¿De perdida? ¿De algo nada? Just take me home.
Huh? Just take me home.
Sí.
Damn, that Alex.
Oh, nigga.
It wouldn't work.
Just get in there, I mean.
Yeah, a little bit.
Agacho, nomás saca la cabeza por la ventana.
Left! Man, luego los pinches wipers no sirven, güey, to clean the water.
Yeah, like an inch, 2 inches now. They're frozen. They're ice. Don't you want to take a picture there?
See?
Look, oh, look right here.
Was sliding.
This is all grass. Yeah, I think that's good. This is Houston. We don't get snow. We get ice.
We knew. We driven through snow and everything, but it's just that we never took any pictures with our trucks in the snow.
Not in Houston.
Not in Houston, especially not in Houston. It looks nice, huh?
Yeah.
It took a while to defrost because the windshields are still frozen.
The
So we had to put
wipers.
the wipers are still frozen, so we had to put the defrost in. It took about a 20 minutes, so it could defreeze.
Yeah, it's like 2 inches.
Están parejas, güey.
I thought you're riding on slicks.
¿Puedes slide right now?
No. And it's still cold. It's like what, 25? job, bro.
Fuck, look at my ears.
22?
22. Oh, mames, that bitch is fucking spinning already.
Anyway.
It's because I don't have good tires either way. These tires are pretty bad.
The stairway is just. Aquí se le puedes pisar. There's spots donde no cae sol, no pega el sol, and it's still ice. Yeah.
I want to look for a spot where I can at least do some donuts.
Yeah, maybe here at the parking lot.
Mira, aquí está bien frío. Damn, all the pumps are fucked up, güey. No hay gas.
I guess not. Se les acabó. A lot of people estaban poniendo gas. But that's why you gotta put diesel.
Oh, you have a mask?
No.
Le llegó el gobierno. Well, let's go. Let's get out.
Watch out.
Yeah, ese pinche bumper went through some shit. So I just went to the Stripes and they're completely sold out of everything. There's no chips. The Laredos is a 24 hours and they're closed.
Yeah, I was looking at the tortas, but they're closed.
Yeah, the torta.
I didn't know they had tortas.
Yeah, they got everything
No
there.
shit.
Yeah. We were trying to go somewhere. Just right around, literally. But they don't even have gas. And I need gas.
Yeah.
Yeah, and como shit, almost. And all the pumps they all have a bag on it, so they don't have gas. And then right there, no gas. And it's cold and it's gonna drop. I guess once the sun goes down, it's gonna drop. So fuck it, just head back home. Just wanted to do a real short video. It's real short. Cause we were gonna change out the front bumpers of the trucks, but I don't even think we have the right size socket. And then it's too cold, and it's just, you know, it's colder in different places, but it's just like we're not used to this weather, so we're gonna go back home. Damn, no le voy a pegar allá, pinche carro. This thing is sliding, literally on ice. Look at those cars. Look at this shit. Mira, ahí va el gobierno, viejo. This is that black ice. This is what causes all these accidents. It's bad. Oh, look at that duty, man. Yeah. We had a guy that picked up a cheesecake right now, not too long ago, and he works for what, Centerpoint?
Yeah, Centerpoint.
And he said that he's on call, so whenever they call him, he's got to go. It's too cold to be outside messing with cables. Y luego, I don't know if he gets up there or not, but it's just too cold to be outside. We Houston boys we don't know how to deal with this cold. This ain't for us. That's why everybody's hibernating out here. And I know Dallas is even worse. And most of my runs are out to Dallas, so if it's you know, starts to snow again tonight, then shit, I ain't even working tomorrow. Fuck that. Look at all that ice. So we just got back home. We were gonna go further out there, but he's got to go before it gets dark because he's got about a 30-minute drive. It's gonna turn into like about an hour and a half because he doesn't want to go. Well, you can't go fast. You have to go slow. Pretty much like 10 miles an hour. And then the bad thing about it is that out here, we're not used to this ice, so nobody puts salt on the streets. So.
To begin with, Houston people can't drive for shit. And you add a little bit of ice, man, chaos.
So. Fuck it. Let's warm up.
If y'all could smell this, if y'all could smell what it smells.
Y'all would want to stay here.
Yeah, you are.
Y'all would want to stay here. Boy came through. Dijo, no, pues ya de perdido me llevo un cheesecake.
Perdí un cheesecake.
Pues si no el agua a la casa, pues a donde me quede me lo chingo ahí. And with that, we're gonna cut this video. Do not forget, guys, to like and subscribe. Follow the page on Instagram. Let's cop the merch. thesimplecablife.bigcartel.com. Every $10 you spend equals 20 entries for the chance to win the giveaway truck. That truck is right there. April 16th, that's the last day for the entries for the giveaway. Do not miss out. Don't wait till last minute. Get the merch, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Deuce.